Okay, hello, good evening guys. My name is Manny and tonight it's January 15, 2022 and I'm zooming to the moon. Actually, it's a waxing gibbous moon. A few days from now it's a full moon. We have 1.5 times digital zoom on my Sony A6400 body attached to the Tasco Luminova 4.5-inch 900mm Newtonian Astronomical Telescope. Okay. I'm recording in 4K. I try to crop the moon so we can see the greater details. Sky is clear tonight, no clouds, a lot of stars. Okay, all right. Yeah, the moon is so nice. Okay, that's it. I think we have enough footage. Gonna zoom it back to ×1, the normal view. Okay, so there you have it guys. The waxing gibbous moon tonight, January 15, 2022. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching and until next time, bye bye.